If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, iPadOS 16.2 update is now available for iPad. iPadOS 16.2 includes support for the freeform collaborative Canvas app, Stage Manager support for external displays for M1 or better iPad models, Apple Music Sing which offers karaoke in Apple Music, eTui support for iCloud data, along with a handful of other smaller features, bug fixes, and security enhancements. It is recommended for all iPad users to install. To update to iPadOS 16.2, it's best that you plug the charging cable. Next, go to Settings. At Settings, go to General. At General, choose Software Update. Next, choose Download and Install. Be patient. It takes several minutes to complete installation. According to Apple, the following updates have been made on iPadOS 16.2. Freeform is a new app for working creatively with friends or colleagues on Mac, iPad and iPhone. A flexible canvas lets you add files, images, stickies, and more. Drawing tools let you sketch anywhere on the canvas with your finger or Apple Pencil. Stage Manager, external display support with resolutions up to 6K available on iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 5th generation and later, iPad Pro 11-inch, 3rd generation and later, and iPad Air 5th generation. Drag and drop files and windows from your compatible device to your connected display, and vice versa. Support for using up to 4 apps on the iPad display and 4 on the external display. Apple Music Sing, a new way to sing along with millions of your favorite songs in Apple Music. Fully adjustable vocals let you duet with the original artist, sing solo, or mix it up. Newly enhanced beat-by-beat lyrics make it even easier to follow along with the music. Advanced data protection for iCloud. New option expands the total number of iCloud data categories protected using end-to-end encryption to 23, including iCloud backup, notes, and photos, protecting your information even in the case of a data breach in the cloud. At Game Center, share play support in Game Center for multiplayer games. You can play with the people you are on a FaceTime call with Activity widget allows you to see what your friends are playing and achieving in games right from your home screen. At home, improved reliability and efficiency of communication between your smart home accessories and Apple devices. This update also includes the following improvements and bug fixes. Improved search in Messages allows you to find photos based on their content, like a dog, car, person, or text. Tracking notifications alert you if an AirTag separated from its owner is nearby and has recently played a chime to indicate it is moving. Reload and Show IP address setting enables iCloud Private Relay users to temporarily disable the service for a specific site in Safari. News articles and weather display information relevant to the weather in that location. Participant cursors and notes allow you to see live indicators as others make updates in a shared note. AirDrop now automatically reverts to contacts only after 10 minutes to prevent unwanted requests to receive content. Fixes an issue that causes some notes not to sync with iCloud after updates are made. Fixes an issue that may cause multi-touch gestures to become unresponsive while using the Zoom accessibility feature. Some features may not be available for all regions or on all Apple devices. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.